So here, the situation here, full of dust while I am driving on the road. So makikita natin, in front of me there is like white smoke, or like fog, but that is not fog, or that is not smoke, that is dust. Because now it is exactly 8 days continuously sandstorm hit all over the eastern region, which included of course Hasa is part of it, and Kubar, Damam, Jubail, Kafji, and all the way to Hafar al-Batin. So this is the situation here in Saudi Arabia now, and this is the indication that parating na yung peak summer, which is the month of July and August. So it's so hard for the people who are walking outside, because this sandstorm, and even if you are inside your home, it is also uncomfortable. Why? Because the dust will coming inside. Even the door is closed, because this is not just normal dust, this is fine dust. So normally even your air conditioning in your home is switched off, so still the dust can penetrate and it will come inside the house. So this is the situation here now, and if you can see here, there are some buildings and also some dates, yet the sandstorm is still very thick. And how much more if you are in the open area, right? So now in the open area, like the highway and what I mean in the open area, which there is no dates, there is no building, or maybe you are driving along the desert. So it is very hard also, because it can damage the paint of your car if there is no paint protector. So this is really happening in Saudi Arabia, or in any other part of the Gulf area or the Gulf country, since the Gulf country, or especially in Saudi Arabia, the desert are bigger or wider than any places that there is buildings and there is some dates trees. So that's the reason why when the sandstorm comes, it is very hard for us here, because sometimes the road are zero visibility. So it is very hard for the vehicles or the drivers to drive along the road, especially in the open highway or in the open area. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and this is once again this is day number 8, or this is the day 8 of the continuous sandstorm here in Saudi Arabia. All right guys, this is Pinoy Hasawi once again. I just want to remind you all guys that please take care of your health, and of course share the love of Christ to everyone. Bye bye for now, and I'm gonna see you next vlog. Thank you.